Good morning, everyone. This is the Elliot. I'm here once again with insights on what will happen in the market in coming week. Right. So last week here on gold, I told you guys something that there would be there would be a possible FVG. There will be a possible FVG that will be created, right? That will be created just after Monday, and you can see what happened here. You can see after Monday close, at Tuesday open, we just sting it to the daily FVG and just slam down to target this particular liquidity, which was actually our target. Though although I was not able to catch any move on gold because like when gold just starts moving, it doesn't even give you any chance to do anything except you are an aggressive trader and you just any move you just see and you just jump in, which is actually not okay. I won't advise it. Just stick to your rules and follow your plan. Okay. So let's just see what we have here on gold. What we have here on gold. So for next week, I'm not seeing much actually. I'm not seeing much, but something I can see very clearly is this FVG that gold is currently reacting to. It's currently reacting from this FVG, and we can possibly see a move like this. Can possibly see a move like this, just a reaction from this place down, right? Because this particular candle that is creating here, this is more like a doji candle. It's an indecisive candle. Although to confirm this move, we will need to see something, some kind of bearish candle downward, maybe close just before this low, right? Just before this low. But if we get something like closing below this candle, below this particular candle, this bullish candle, if we should close below this bullish candle, then we might actually be looking out for something entirely different, right? But if we close just before the low of this bullish candle, then okay, we can say okay, there will be opportunities in this area to just take the price down to the low of this candle because that's where current liquidity lies now, right? So although although that's the possibility to happen, we still have an FVG here, which I will be showing you something quickly in a minute on the lower time frame, right? So let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, so this is the 4 hour time frame. You can see what's going on here. The market has really been very, 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 very consolidating since last week, right? Although we had this big move, which is very normal. After a big move, you see some kind of consolidation before a liquidity sweep, then we slam down, right? So on the 4 hour time frame, we can see something. We can see like an FVG right here, and this particular bullish candlestick here. This is also some kind of resistance for price, right? This is some kind of resistance that I will also show you on the 1 hour time frame. I will also show you on the 1 hour time. You can see my positions that I was looking out for. Gold refuses to come back because once gold starts moving, it does not even give you chance to say jack, right? It does not give you chance to say okay, I want to enter a trade. Once it moves, it moves. So if you're an aggressive trader, you should have made a lot of money from this move, right? From this crazy move down to this liquidity. So for next week, we can see this FVG. This FVG just got filled now, so we can likely see something like this. We can likely see something like this, a sweep of this high, because this is actually liquidity. Because just look at this consolidation here, you can see what we are expecting is some kind of sweep, to sweep this high, this particular high here, which is liquid, carrying massive liquidity. Right, some people are already selling gold now from here, and they will put their stop loss right above this place, which definitely gold will take out that high and then slam down. Although nothing is concrete when it comes to the market, gold can still try to, sell directly from this place. But what I'm anticipating is a sweep of this high, then maybe we slam down, or a little touch into this FVG, and then boom, downward, right? And they will slam down. Well, let me show you something on the 1 hour time frame that I said I will show you really quickly, really quickly. So when you are trading gold, right? When you are trading gold, you just need to look out for every possibilities, right? You need to look out for every possibilities. This actually now, this is a very delicate place. It's a very important place for you to look at. You can see gold came just slightly close to this FVG and sold, right? Sold, and now it's reacting inside this FVG, and the consolidation is crazily massive, right? It's crazily massive, and any stink out of this consolidation now, let's say a tap on this FVG, it can just smack down, right? It can slam down. So those are the possibilities you'll be looking at for next week. Although it might still come to this FVG, right? Which is the obvious FVG I showed you on the 4 hour time frame. It can still come there, but the possibilities are very low. The chances of gold selling from this place is very high. So it's something you should be looking out for. Instead of looking out for something coming to this level, which is actually premium actually, but not all the time price will go to a premium level before it sells, right? Before it sells or buy. It can just do anything at any time. And something you should also note, after a big move like this, something huge like this, you don't expect price to retrace deep into the leg, because the move is already large enough. It can just come and react from an FVG halfway on or another block, and just do its thing, right? Do its thing. So I think that will be all for gold. I think that will be all for gold. But the basic thing you should be looking out for next week, the basic thing you should be looking at for next week. Let's go to the daily time frame. Like I said, always check the daily time frame. Always check the daily time frame. The basic thing you should be looking out for is these two FVG. These two FVG just right close to each other. Right? These two FVG just right close to each other. Gold will definitely react from either of those FVG and sell down massively So map out this FVG, right? Then you go to the 4 hour time frame. It's actually is also reacting from an FVG too, which it might sell, but the possibility of it selling is quite low from it reacting from this high, because there's liquidity resting above that high. So overall, gold is bearish. So you just have to look out for your plan, your rules, and engage in the market and make some money for yourself, right? So all right, that will be all for today. Thank you for watching, and do it to subscribe and like the video if this made any impact to you, and goodbye for now. Thank you.